Good morning students. In the chapter number 10 we proceed how the bill becomes an act. Act मतलब कायदा, कि बिल को कायदा कब बनाया जाता है. Actually any proposal which is kept in this parliament is called bill. So how this become an act? The parliament does the important work of augmenting the old laws, framing new laws and nullifying the obsolete laws. Any of the bill, either ordinary bill, money bill or the bill to amend constitution can become an act by passing through the following processes. Now there are different processes that to make the bill as an act. Any bill can be presented either house of the parliament. Either house means either Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. The bill can be presented by minister or any member of the parliament. If any dispute arises between the two houses of the parliament regarding the bill, the president can call a joint meeting of both and houses of the parliament. The proceedings of both the houses of the parliament in a joint sitting is chaired by the speaker, wherein the bill can be passed by majority. Then the bill becomes an act if it is passed by majority of members of both the houses. Majority means the voting that is more than 66%. That is called majority, or 2/3 of the present members. So that is called majority. Now the procedure of an act from bill, ordinary bill, that is non-financial. Non-financial means जिनका पैसे से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, the कायदा है एक टाइप का. The procedure of presenting a bill in a house of parliament by minister is called first reading of the bill, where in the title, objectives and the reasons of the bill are described. Before presenting any bill in the state legislature assembly, the recommendation of the chairman of the house, and before presenting any bill in the center, the recommendation of president is required. In the first reading of the bill, the general information of the bill is discussed upon. Objections must be with reasons and voting is done if necessary. Section wise the discussion is done for every point, its objectives, the repercussions are examined. Amendments are done in it on the basis of public groups, associations, institutions or opinions of the opposition party. Voting is carried out on that. Sometimes due to the workload of the house, a bill cannot be discussed in detail. Detail में मतलब नहीं पढ़ते, ऊपर से point समझा देते, right? Therefore it is handed over to committee comprising of subject experts and members having special knowledge to examine the bill. Then keeping in view the public opinion, they undergo necessary discussion and suggest required changes therein. The report of the committee is submitted to the house. Then the bill is sent for the third reading. The third reading is only formal. Formal means नाम मात्र होती है, only sign होता है, reading नहीं होता है. And after presenting the logic in terms of the acceptance or rejection of the changes in the bill, voting is carried out. If it gains majority, then the bill is declared passed. The passed bill is signed by the chairman of first house, then sent to the second house. The bill goes through the same process in second house. If the bill passes in the second house with its necessary amendment, it is sent to President's signature, and after receiving the president assent, the bill becomes an act. पहले समझ लो राज्यसभा में, फिर लोकसभा में, ऐसे इस तरह अगर लोकसभा में पहले गया तो राज्यसभा में, देन दोनों की मेजॉरिटी assent, then goes to president and president gives assent, and then after the signature the bill becomes an act. But if the bill is not passed in second house of the parliament, it is again sent back to first house. If the second house keeps the bill for more than 6 months, it is understood that the bill is rejected. If both the houses disagree or have a dispute over the bill, a joint session of both the houses is summoned, and in joint session of the parliament, the disputes are tried to be solved through gaining majority. When the bill is sent for president's signature, there are 3 options with the president. Number 1, he signed the bill, thereby approving it. Number 2, he keeps the bill with him, or number 3, send the bill back to the parliament for reconsideration. The bill become an act, is published in government gazette, then there is enforcement from the date given therein. Further tomorrow we shall discuss.